the New Testament, the claim is most of the New Testament, at least the old scriptures they're finding, was written in Greek. And that was a common language even for that area. Like they said that Jesus spoke Aramaic, but a lot of people during that time wrote and more than Hebrew, which is the language that Jews use now. And there were Jews back then, and I'm not sure if they existed, if the actual religion as we know it existed when they were writing the New Testament. To be honest, that's one of the arguments I'm going to make. I think there was some laws, Moses stuff existed, circumcision existed. There was a bit of and I don't know if that was related to the Jewish religion at that time. It was just related to ex-slaves and a movement of Moses who came. Okay, now I'm just okay. All right. Okay, just focus. Okay, don't have a laugh. I'm not stopping this. Okay. Stop. It was very inappropriate. I just saw this video with Kelly and her band, and they said, you start laughing. Okay. Okay. Okay, stop laughing. I'm just getting too off. This is worse than crying. Sometimes you have to laugh to cry, and I'm just what this is not. Okay. Stop. I gotta edit this out, but I swear to God, I'm gonna finish this. Okay. Okay. Okay, stop. Alright, I'm done. Okay, so okay. Are you done? Okay. Let me clear out my eyes. Alright. I'll edit all that out. Okay. Okay. Stop. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Here we go. I'm gonna do this even with tears in my eyes. I don't care. We're gonna forge forward. So, what I did. Let's just go through this, and it doesn't matter if it makes sense or not. But what I figured was